Hey guys, this is lesson 6, functions. So first, what is a function? A function is a set of code that can be reusable whenever you call it. Here are two things involved in a function: defining a function and calling a function. So, a function is defined by using the def keyword. You put def over there, which stands for definition. Def is a short word of definition. Next to def, you have to put the function name. I'm just going to use name. Next to it, you need to put parentheses. Inside the parentheses, it is called parameters. If you put something, those are called parameters. Next to the parentheses, you put a colon. And it indents for you if you click enter. So we can put anything over there. So definition, what should we define? So we can just put print. Let's write print Srithan. So we can write Srithan. So now we defined the name or the meaning of the word function name. So now if we execute it, or no, I mean like if we call the function, it will print the things inside. So let's call it. So name. Beside it, you have to put parentheses. So let's run it and see. Let's run it again. See, it printed the name. See, it printed it. Sorry guys, my computer is kind of slow. Functions can take data as input, known as parameters, and functions can return data as output also. Let me show you the function. So you have to write def and then say hello, parentheses. Inside, if you write something, that's called a parameter. I'm gonna write name, then colon. So now you just have to say print quotes, and then I'm gonna say hello, and then comma, I'm gonna put a name. I'm gonna write say hello, and then we have to put parentheses and quotes. Inside the quotes, you can write like anything. I'm just gonna put learners, L-E-A. Okay, now if we run it, it's gonna print hello learners. See. See, it printed hello learners. If you call functions without arguments, then it will go in default mode, or value, I mean. So let me show you another example. So def say hello learners, and there I'm gonna write name's value this time. So name equals, let's write what? So let's just write name equals beginners. So B beginners. Okay. Now we have to put a colon over there. And don't forget to put the quotes around the value. So yeah. Now the colon and then enter. It indented for you. Now we have to write print hello. And then we have to put a comma and then write name. And it already knows the value of the name because we put it as beginners. So now we wrote the function, but we never called it. Many people get tricked, like when we do like that, it did nothing except printed hello learners from our last function. So you need to call the function now. So you have to do say hello learners. That's the name of the function. You can put anything. So say hello learners and then just do that and you called it. So now let's clear it. So you just have to write clear. Enter. It clears. Now let's execute it. See, now it did hello beginners, like we said, hello beginners. Functions may return a value to the caller by using the keyword return. So now let me show you an example. So you do def, and then let's write the name for that function. So I'm gonna write sum, and then an underscore. You can use underscores because you can't have spaces in the name. So sum2 underscore, and then now let's, in the parentheses, let's choose two variables, a plus b. So now colon over there, you shouldn't forget a colon. So enter. Now you have to write return and a plus b. Here you should do a comma because those are the variables. So now let's write print, and then the name of our function is sum underscore, like that. So that's the name of our function. Inside values of a and b. So it's 6, we can choose any number, and then comma 10. Or you can choose anything, but I'm just choosing 6 and 10 as the basic numbers. So now, if we run it, it's gonna print on the console 16. See, it printed 16 right there. Okay guys, this is the end of the session of lesson 6. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned functions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.